Oh no, it's that season of the year again. It's crusty lens season. Welcome to Cosplayland. I am Alice and today I'm gonna show you how to store your contact lenses so they don't get dry and crusty during the summer season. I do not wear contact lenses daily and I suppose many of you don't either, or at least not the crazy color contacts that you use for cosplay. It is very easy to forget you even have them until the next convention, and when you want to use them again, well, they are all gone. However, I have a few tricks up my sleeve to minimize this. But before I start, let me introduce you to this video's sponsor, which is Moko Queen. Moko Queen is one of the best contact lens providers I know, and they have a big variety of contact lenses for fashion, cosplay, and everyday wear. I have been using them for a while, and you will see I have a huge collection by now. They fast deliver to the US within 1 to 4 business days, and their lenses are also available in Europe. I will leave you a link in the description where you can see their collection, and remember, you can get their lenses with a 10% off discount if you use my code aliceincosplayland. This month, they sent me a collection of pink contact lenses that I can't wait to use. However, I am not going to open them yet because this is my trick number 1 when you store your contact lenses. To keep your contact lenses from being crusty, my first trick is as simple as that. Do not open your lenses until you need them. Well, not exactly. Remember to open them at least 4 to 6 hours before you need them, or even better, keep them in contact lens solution from the night before. As you know, your contact lenses need to soak on contact lens solution for a while before you wear them to make sure they are completely safe and ready to wear. Here you can see me doing a storage box for my unopened lenses so they take less space in my drawer. I'm sorry I kind of butchered this one, but it works. And when I open my drawers, I can clearly see all my unopened contacts at a glance and when they are going to go off. But storing my contacts unopened is kind of the obvious thing to do. What if you have already opened them? In that case, let's see what we can do. For me, one of the easiest things to do is to choose well your contact lens case. The chunkier, the better. Here is a comparison of cases. The chunky one is from Moko Queen and the extremely thin one is from a different company. Guess which one can store more liquid and therefore will take longer to dry. I know most companies provide contact lenses, but remember that you can buy them separately as well. They are very inexpensive and you are supposed to change cases every few months anyway, so make sure you get the right ones. We have our contacts and we have our chunky cases. What else can we do? Of course, store in a cool and dry place. It's something that's on the box, right? Does this look like a cool and dry place to you? No? Don't keep your contact lenses in the bathroom. Full stop. And now this is my favorite trick. You may be tempted to store your contact lenses in a very nice paper box, and indeed I used to do this in the past all the time, but guess what? All my contact lenses were dry every single time I went looking for them. Cardboard boxes are a bad idea. They will absorb the moisture and keep your contacts warm. That's opposite of what you need. And this is actually what I do. My real secret about contact lenses. A box of chocolates. Specifically a tin box of chocolates. If you can, find a metal box to store your contacts. The metal will keep cool to the touch and keep your contacts from dying. Just make sure the box is inside a drawer and away from the sun, otherwise they may melt. Finally, this is kind of obvious, but you should be checking your contact lenses regularly. Every month, I check my contact lenses and make sure none of them are dry. Make sure they are still in good condition and check the expiry date for them as well. Remember, once you open them, you will have a limited time to use them, usually 3 months to 12 months. It will stay in the box. I will include a free file that you can download where you can write the dates. This is actually a page of my cosplay planner which will be available again in the next couple of months. If your contact lenses are dry or expired, put them in the bin. Do not try to rehydrate them. Even if they look normal, there could be micro imperfections in the lens that could damage your eyes and you really don't want to risk it. If the liquid has gone down, don't top it up. Clean your contact lenses, fill the case again with contact lens solution and put the lenses back in your tin box. I have a video on how to clean contact lenses and I will link it in the description as well. Finally, make sure your case is tight and put your lenses back in the drawer, waiting for your next convention or your next makeup masterpiece. And these are all the tricks I do to keep my lenses from drying in summer. I hope they were useful to you. And if they were, don't forget to give it a like, maybe share this trick with someone else that lives in a hot place, and remember that your shares, likes and comments on this video go a long way and help me grow the channel, so let me know what else would you like to know. I will be back next week with more cosplay adventures, so make sure to be there. And I will be seeing you next time. Bye!